In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record on Clickup, the all-in-one productivity platform. Whether you're putting together a quick tutorial or need to share some important insights with your team, Clickup makes it simple to capture your screen in just a few steps. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. Clickup is known as the everything app for work, so if you haven't already, make sure you're on the correct site. This will ensure you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Now, once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to take advantage of Clickup's versatile features. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your home page. In this particular walkthrough, we will be navigating to a workspace called Nan's Workspace. Your own workspace might be titled differently, but you'll always start from the home environment. This is your central hub where all your tasks and projects reside, and getting familiar with this space can significantly streamline your workflow. Next, it's time to create a clip. From the home page or your project overview, look for the Hubs section. Once you're in the Hubs area, you'll find an option named Clips. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Create Clip to begin setting up your screen recording. This section is designed to provide a straightforward and efficient way to capture your screen content. It's really as easy as it sounds. Now you're ready to start recording. Click on the Start Recording button to begin capturing your screen activity. Once you activate this feature, everything you do on your screen will be recorded. Think of it as your personal director's cut on whatever it is you're trying to convey. It's a handy tool, especially if you're looking to demonstrate a feature, provide comprehensive feedback, or simply share your working process with your team. Keep in mind that while your screen is being recorded, it's important to articulate clearly if you're narrating, and to conduct your on-screen movements slowly enough for your audience to follow along. The recording will continue until you decide to stop it, so make sure you've captured everything you need before concluding. After you're done, you'll have the option to edit, save, or share the recording according to your needs. That's all there is to it. By using these simple steps, you can effectively screen record in Clickup and communicate your ideas more dynamically and visually with your team or audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips on mastering your productivity tools.